Being a student is tough, books are expensive, tuition is even worse. The cost of education is skyrocketing, and it seems like every semester, there's a new fee or expense that wasn't there before. From lab fees to technology fees, the list goes on and on. And let's not forget about the cost of textbooks. Some classes require multiple books, and each one can cost hundreds of dollars. It's no wonder students are always looking for ways to save money. And then there's the little thing called life. Eating out with friends. Catching the latest movie. Socializing is a big part of the college experience, and it often comes with a price tag. Whether it's grabbing a coffee between classes, going out for dinner, or catching a movie on the weekend, these small expenses can quickly add up. And let's not forget about those spontaneous plans that pop up, like a last-minute concert or a weekend getaway. All these activities are essential for maintaining a balanced and enjoyable college life, but they can strain a student's budget, maybe even a weekend trip. It all adds up. Traveling with friends, exploring new places, and creating unforgettable memories are all part of the college experience, but travel isn't cheap. Gas, accommodation, food, and entertainment costs can quickly drain your wallet. Even a simple day trip can become expensive when you factor in all the little costs. And while these experiences are invaluable, they can leave you wondering how to make ends meet. That's where making money online comes in. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for students to earn extra cash without leaving their dorm rooms. From freelance writing to graphic design, there are numerous ways to leverage your skills and talents. Online platforms make it easy to find gigs that fit your schedule and interests. Plus, working online means you can avoid the hassle of commuting and have more time to focus on your studies. It's the side hustle that fits perfectly with a student's busy schedule. No set hours, work from anywhere, be your own boss. Flexibility is key when you're juggling classes, assignments, and extracurricular activities. Online work allows you to set your own hours and work at your own pace. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can find time to earn money without sacrificing your academic performance. Plus, being your own boss means you can choose projects that interest you and build a portfolio that will impress future employers. One of the easiest ways to do this is through link shortening. It's a simple concept. You take a long URL, shorten it using a specialized service, and share the shortened link. When people click on your link, you earn money. It's a low-effort way to generate income, especially if you have a strong online presence or a large social media following. You can share links to interesting articles, videos, or products, and watch the earnings roll in. It's simple, it's effective, and it can put some serious cash in your pocket. With minimal effort, you can start seeing results. The more you share, the more you earn. It's a great way to supplement your income without taking on a traditional part-time job. Plus, it teaches you valuable skills in marketing and online engagement, which can be beneficial in your future career. Ready to learn how? Let's go. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the details of how you can get started with link shortening, tips for maximizing your earnings, and strategies for sharing your links effectively. Whether you're looking to cover your textbook costs, save up for a trip, or just have some extra spending money, this guide will help you achieve your financial goals. So grab your laptop, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to financial independence. Ever see those shortened links online? You know, the ones that look like a random jumble of letters and numbers? They might seem confusing at first glance, but there's a fascinating story behind them. They look like a jumbled mess of letters and numbers, but don't let that fool you. These seemingly chaotic strings of characters serve a very practical purpose. But behind that chaos lies a simple idea. The concept of link shortening is all about making long, unwieldy web addresses more manageable and easier to share. Link shortening takes a long, messy web address and turns it into something short and sweet. Imagine trying to share a lengthy URL with friends or colleagues. It can be cumbersome and prone to errors. But with a shortened link, it's a breeze. Think of it as a nickname for a website. Just like how we use nicknames to make names easier to remember and say, shortened links make web addresses simpler and more memorable. But here's the cool part. Link shortening isn't just about convenience. It also opens up new possibilities for creativity and functionality. Services like Linkvertise let you make money every time someone clicks on your shortened link. This means you can turn your everyday sharing into a potential revenue stream. That's right, you get paid for sharing. Imagine sharing a link to an interesting article, a funny video, or a useful resource, and earning money each time someone clicks on it. It's a win-win situation. Creating a shortened link is easy. You simply copy the long URL, paste it into a link shortening service, and voila, you get a neat compact link ready to share. These shortened links are perfect for social media where character limits can be a constraint. They make your posts cleaner and more professional. Plus, many link shortening services offer analytics so you can track how many people are clicking on your links. This data can be incredibly valuable for understanding your audience and optimizing your sharing strategy. With insights into your link performance, you can see which types of content resonate most with your audience and adjust your approach accordingly. So, whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves sharing interesting stuff online, link shortening can be a powerful tool in your digital toolkit. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you share and engage with content online. So next time you see a shortened link, remember the simplicity and potential behind those seemingly random characters. Linkvertise is your partner in crime for this money-making adventure. It's a platform that lets you shorten links and earn money from them. It's free to join and easy to use. Think of Linkvertise as a middleman. Someone clicks your link. They see a quick ad. Then they get sent to the website you linked. You get paid for that quick ad view. Everyone wins. The first step is creating your free Linkvertise account. Head to their website and look for the sign up button. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. Once you're signed up, Linkvertise will walk you through a quick setup process. This helps them understand what kind of links you'll be sharing. Don't worry, it's super simple. Section 5. Creating your first short link. Now for the fun part, making money. Log into your Linkvertise account. You'll see a dashboard with all sorts of cool features. Look for the option to create a new link. Paste the long URL you want to shorten into Linkvertise. Hit that button and boom, you've got your very own shortened link. It's that easy. Section 6. Spreading the word. Sharing is caring and earning. Now that you have your shortened link, it's time to share it with the world. This is where the magic happens. The more you share, the more opportunities you create for people to click on your link. The more people click on it, the more money you make. So, get creative. Think outside the box. Use catchy phrases, intriguing headlines, and eye-catching images to draw attention to your link. Think about where your audience hangs out online. Are they on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram? Or perhaps they frequent niche forums and communities? Social media is a goldmine. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok offer endless opportunities to share your link. Post it on your profile, in groups, or even in the comments section of popular posts. Blogs and forums are great too. If you have a blog, write a post that naturally incorporates your link. Engage in forum discussions and subtly include your link where relevant. Even sharing with friends and family can add up. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Share your link in group chats, family gatherings, and even during casual conversations. Every click counts, and the more you share, the more you earn. So start spreading the word today and watch your earnings grow. Section 7. Social media. Your free advertising platform. Social media is your best friend when it comes to link shortening. Share your links on your profiles, in groups, and even in direct messages. Get people clicking. Don't be afraid to get creative with your captions. Tease the content of the link. Ask a question to spark conversation. The more engaging your posts, the more clicks you'll get. Section 8. Blogs and forums. Finding your target audience. Blogs and forums are perfect for reaching a specific audience. Find communities related to your links and share them in relevant discussions. For example, if you have a link about the best study tips, share it on a forum for students. Just make sure you're following the rules of the community and providing value with your links. Section 9. Cashing in. How Linkvertise pays. Linkvertise typically pays you based on the number of views or clicks your links receive. You'll see your earnings accumulate in your dashboard. Once you reach a certain threshold, you can withdraw your earnings through various methods like PayPal. It's like getting paid to share cool stuff online. Section 10. Keep going. Consistency is key. Like any side hustle, consistency is key with link shortening. The more links you create and share, the more potential you have to earn. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep sharing, keep engaging, and the earnings will follow. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Section 11. You got this. Embrace the hustle. Making money online with link shortening is a great way for students to earn some extra cash. It's flexible, it's fun, and it can be very rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Linkvertise, start shortening those links, and embrace the hustle. Your future self will thank you for it.